Hello, Michal and Anna, La Suerte Dance School. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to teach you a bit more son. This is again part of our son course. We like to highlight in this course moves that are characteristical for son. Yeah? We've done some classes when we showed you how you can adapt a regular, let's call them traditional casino moves into son. But actually the essence of son, the beauty of it, are moves that are specific for son, and this is something what we are going to show you in this video. Before we start, obviously big thanks to everybody who is supporting our channel. If you already liked, subscribed and pressed the bell, that's fantastic. If you like what we are doing and if you would like to support us, you can press the thumb up, you can leave us some nice comment, even if it's just a hashtag son la suerte, that already helps. Let's get started. We're going to go through the whole routine from the beginning to the end, and then we'll break it down for you. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. Kind of funky move, at least 3 elements that we'll have to go through a bit slower. We'll start with delay cano, nothing interesting to say here. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, swap hand. We're right to the right, we're pulling forward, we're both stepping forward. Anna does enchufla stomping with the with the right front, and I go with the left front. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, opposite, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, stop, 6, 7, 8. So stop for guys, 3 steps for girls, and we are landing on the same foot, which is right at the moment. And this is 6, 7, 8. Now on 2, we are both going with the left leg. We've done this step in the previous video, literally the previous video. Again, I'll link it in cards. And we're just walking to the side. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. And now 6, 7, 8. Very important part. Quite tricky to lead. Guys, you have to lift the couple up. And you see Anna is already preparing with her right foot. She's straightening it up. And she's not just making steps. She's making like nice, fluent swing. And this is from girl perspective on 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She comes back. And now double turn for girls. And guys, you have to get back to your original rhythm. So it's 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. A bit tricky. We've done something similar in one of our previous videos. If you remember, when we landed next to each other and we were crossing, tick, boom, and crossing, tick, boom, and cheeky, cheeky, boom, and cheeky, cheeky, boom, and cheeky, cheeky, boom. So if you watch this video, you remember that there are multiple ways to come back to the rhythm, to change the rhythm from girls' rhythm to guys' rhythm. One of the options is just to stand still, like we do in this section. Ticky, ticky, boom, and I'm just waiting for her, shifting weight to the right, and then continue. This is one of the options. Second option would be to do 4 steps in a row, like 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So without pause. But the option that I like the most is basically doing 2 steps, so skipping 1. So then I do 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. All of them are valid, all of them are working. So one more time, we'll show you getting out of this section. So you have 2, 3, 4, hop, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy? Not really. We'll dance all of it fluently from the beginning to the end twice, so you can see it from different angles. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, lead front, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, hop and wait, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, get ready, go, and 6, 7, 2 steps, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and that's not guapea. We are in son. You know what we did. Okay. We'll do the same, facing different direction. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, go front. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, wait. 6, 7, side. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, now. 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's not salsa, so we are not getting back to guapea. We'll dance this with music.
De allí del monte.
2, 3, 4.
Soy de allí.
6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, hop.
Donde canta
2,
el
3, hop.
sinsonte.
6, 7,
De allí
8.
del monte. Mira, sonero, 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 sonero soy. Soy de allí del monte. Donde la
We'll do it up on this way,
paloma
hop.
hacen su nido. Soy de allí del
Pa,
monte. Mira que soy,
Tic,
que
tic,
soy
pa.
guajiro.
Tic,
Soy
tic,
de
pa.
allí
Tic,
del
tic, pa.
monte.
Tic, tic, ah. Tic, tic, pa. Tic, tic, pa.
allí
Tic,
del
tic,
monte.
whoop. Tic, tic, hop. Tic, tic, hop. 6, 7,
De
8.
allí del monte.
Maybe next time for song. We'll do last song.
Soy de allí donde el colega hace su poesía.
We haven't done this move yet, no? In our song course, I think so. I'll double check it. Sometimes we record so many videos and we do so many classes that we are not really sure which one we already completed, which one we haven't. But if you are interested in song and if you'd like more, like, subscribe and press the bell. Like, subscribe and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can obviously join us here in person as well. We appreciate all your support, and thanks to you, we can produce more videos. So again, if you think that we are doing good job, ding, 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 thumbs up. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching us. See you later. Bye-bye.